Hi there, and welcome to the Geonix channel. My name is Andrew. In this video, we'll explore Phantom Buster, a powerful cloud-based solution for automating online tasks. Let's dive into the features and see how it works. Phantom Buster is a cloud automation platform that simplifies repetitive web tasks. It allows you to extract data from websites and social media, automate sending connection requests and direct messages, integrate with tools like Selenium, Puppeteer, and others. The platform offers over 100 pre-built automation scripts, known as Phantoms, that you can customize for your own use cases. Let's take a look at the subscription plans available. Phantom Buster offers 4 pricing plans tailored to different levels of usage, from individual testers to full-scale growth teams. The free trial plan lasts for 14 days and includes 2 hours of automation, 1000 AI credits, 5 Phantom slots, limited data export, and 50 bonus email credits. It's a great way to explore the tool's capabilities before committing. The starter plan, priced at $69 per month, is ideal for freelancers or small teams beginning to automate their outreach. It provides 20 hours of Phantom runtime, 10,000 AI credits, up to 5 simultaneous Phantoms, full access to data export, community support, and 500 monthly email credits to support ongoing prospecting efforts. For growing operations, the Pro plan, at $159 per month, significantly expands resources. It includes 80 hours of automation time and 50,000 AI credits, allowing users to scale campaigns more efficiently and handle a larger number of simultaneous tasks. The plan also includes priority support and is well suited for marketing agencies managing multiple campaigns. Finally, the team plan, available at $439 per month, is designed for businesses needing robust automation at scale. It comes with 300 hours of Phantom runtime, 200,000 AI credits, up to 50 concurrent platforms, and the collaboration features that make it easy for teams to share workspaces and workflows. With priority support and advanced export options, this plan supports large-scale data operations and high-volume outreach. Now let's launch the platform and take a look at the interface. Once you've registered, you can choose and configure Phantoms for specific tasks, view execution reports and logs, schedule task launches, connect Phantom Buster with other platforms using API. It supports automation for LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and many other sites. Let's break down the main sections of the interface. Dashboard, the central control panel. Here you'll see all active Phantoms, available slots, and execution statuses: active, paused, error, etc. LinkedIn Leads, a dedicated section for LinkedIn automation. It includes templates for lead scraping, message sending, and more. Solutions, a library of pre-built automations for various goals: email scraping, social media automation, prospecting, recruiting, SEO tasks, and so on. Workflows, beta, a newer section where you can build chains of tasks. For example, one Phantom scrapes profiles, another sends messages, and another stores the data in a spreadsheet. In the top right menu, under your account, you'll find Workspace settings. Workspace lets you create or manage your team environment within this section. Users and accounts. Manage team members and access permissions, perfect for collaborative work. Billing. See your current plan, payment history, and switch plans if needed. Settings. Workspace level configuration. The technical tab includes API keys, needed to trigger Phantoms from your code or connect to external tools. Proxies. Configure private proxies for safer operations and improved anonymity. Finally, the MySpace section includes My Personal Settings, update your name, email, avatar, etc. And below that, you'll find the Logout button. Now, let's walk through the process of creating a new Phantom. Start from the dashboard. Click Browse Phantoms in the center of the screen or navigate via the top menu, LinkedIn Leads, Instagram, Solutions. You'll land on the Browse Phantoms page. It shows templates like Instagram Autofollow, LinkedIn Profile Scraper, TikTok Hashtag Search, Google Maps Extractor, Email Finder, and much more. Use the search bar or filters to find what you need. Let's say you want to follow users on Instagram. Search for Instagram auto-follow. Click the Phantom to configure it. Authentication. Connect your social account via Phantom Buster's Chrome extension or manually insert your session cookie. Data source. Define where the Phantom pulls input from. Competitors profile, hashtags list, etc. Work parameters. Set how many actions per run, frequency, delay, and so on. Scheduling. Define when and how often the Phantom runs. Once everything is set, click Save to launch your automation. As you can see, Phantom Buster is a robust platform for automating web tasks. It's especially useful for marketers, recruiters, researchers, and anyone dealing with large-scale data or outreach workflows. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, Geonix.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.